Welcome to the planet Saturn. Here are some facts about the planet. The planet's features. Saturn is a gaseous planet made of mostly helium. The planet's temperature is minus 139 degrees Celsius. The planet has a unique feature to it where it has rings around the outside of the planet. Saturn's atmosphere has three main layers. The top layers are made of ammonia ice. The middle layer is made of water ice clouds. The last layer is made of a cold hydrogen and helium mixture. Brief history of Saturn. Saturn was first discovered by the Assyrians. Other early civilizations also discovered Saturn, such as Romans, Greeks, early China and Japan, and many others too. In 1610, Saturn's rings were discovered by Galileo. Then in 1972, Pioneer 11 did its flyby by Saturn. The latest mission that is studying Saturn is the Cassini mission. Distance and speed. Saturn is 1,433,000,000 km from the Sun. Saturn's acceleration speed is 11.171 m/s. The escape speed for Saturn is 79,390 miles per hour. Earth's is 29,009 miles per hour. How the planet spins. Saturn's magnetic field is about 260.1 GeS. The tilt of the planet is 26.7 degrees. The rotation of the planet is 10 hours and a half. The planet rotates completely around the Sun every 29.4 years. Man, New Year's Eve must be pretty crazy there. Missions to Saturn. There are 6 different missions to Saturn. These are Pioneer 11 in 1972, Voyager 1 in 1977, Voyager 2 in 1977, Galileo in 1989, Elysius in 1990, and lastly, the Cassini in 1997. Saturn's satellites, a.k.a. the moons. Saturn has over 150 moons and moonlets. Some of the planet's coolest moons are Titan, Enceladus, Pan, and Atlas. Pan and Atlas are moons in a flying saucer shape. Titan is the only moon in our solar system that has a thick atmosphere. Lastly, Enceladus has ice geysers that heat the water under the surface that keeps it a liquid, and a possibility of having life on the moon. Living on Saturn. It is very unlikely that people can live on Saturn due to A. There is no solid surface on the planet. B. You can only breathe helium from the planet. C. There are very low temperatures on the planet. So, if you can live through all those negatives of the planet, have fun living here. Fun facts! Since Saturn is made of gas, it can float in water if you have a tank big enough. Saturn was first discovered by the Assyrians. Saturn is named after the Roman god of farming, Saturn. The Greek's version of this god is Cronus. Saturn is also the fifth brightest object in the solar system. Saturn has about 30 rings. These rings are made of ice and rocky materials too. Saturday is named after Saturn by how it is the seventh farthest day in the week. Lastly, Saturn is also called the jewel of the solar system